Alright, here's the starter from the Weather King unit. It's in heating mode. That's the outlet temperature. The suction line's getting now cold and sweaty. There's the condensate. It actually uses a dripper right there, so. It's got a GE AB20AS fan motor. 2009 3-ton R for 10A Weather King. Matched through a Ruud Achiever Series furnace. So. 79 outside. And here's the furnace. Ruud Achiever 2008. Oh, 2008, yeah. 3-ton. So. Alright. I'm gonna shut that off right now, so. Alright. I just heard the shutdown from that window right there, and it sounded pretty good for me. It's a bad install. And the condensate that's dripping down from the start, so I can usually take that off and put it back on. So a few months ago they cleaned the unit. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.